Ikodia katosha taya dia kabada ye makumenene men. Oh, ye kamane ye kanana. We give you glory. We give you glory. Hey, Amakos, you are God from beginning to the end. There is no place for argument. You are God all by yourself. You are God from beginning to the end. There is no place for argument. You are God all by yourself. You are my God from beginning to the end. There is no place for argument. You are God all by yourself, oh God. You are my God from the beginning of my destiny to the end of time. You are God all by yourself. Oh, Shapiakato Shapaya. Whoa. Yes, Samania Makube Samadeg. My creator, you are my creator. Hey, you are God, oh, you are God. From beginning to the end. There is no place over my destiny. Hey, you are God all by yourself. As you hear the sound of my voice, declare it over your destiny. Nobody can argue with me over God's plan, over my life. He's the God over my destiny. From the beginning to the end. You are God from beginning to the end. There is no place for me to argue. You are God by yourself. Hey, you are God. Hey, I am certainly sure that you can never leave me, never abandon me. I don't know the situation that you are right now, but I want to declare to you that He is God. From the beginning of your destiny to the end, there is no place for argument. He is God. He is God. Hey, Amakosh. Hey, you are God. From beginning to the end, there is no place for argument. You are God by yourself. Because I know I worship Jakune Yaja. I worship Jirakudikue. I worship Ojiakune Yaja. I worship Jirakudi. Hey, my Father never fails. He walks on fire. I worship higher. I know the God I serve. Hey, I will. Wherever you hear the sound of my voice, I worship I worship Chiraku Dikue Ikabana na 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 Ikabana ni suprana brutus Iyarare My God walks on the fire. My God, He answered by fire. Receive your healing. Receive your healing. Yes, I'm talking to you. Receive your healing right now. I worship. Woo! I worship. That baby is mine. That husband is mine. Because I know the God I serve. Wherever you are, hear the sound of my voice. Go ahead and receive whatever you've been hoping for. I keep on in my garden. Yes. Oh, we worship. Woo! We worship, we worship. Yes, I worship. I'm confident that I worship the God of fire. Hey, Kapunen. Irere mekubaya. Ikubrini sekete. Ikabakosha tayadababa. Hey, yes, you are. Amashia, Lion of Judah. Hey, Akune Chemba. You are walking into my situation. Yes, you are. Amashia. Hey, Lion of Judah. Akune Chemba one. Yes, you are. Amasia, Lion of Judah. Akune Temba. Hey, I know the God I serve. Come on, woman. He's the Lion of the tribe of Judah. It doesn't matter how long I wait. I will wait on you, Abba. It doesn't matter how long I wait. It doesn't matter how long I wait. I will wait on you, oh, Lion of Judah. Hey, Akune Temba. Yes, you are. Lion of the tribe of Judah. That is who you are. My confidence is in you. 1,000,000 times. Ooh, Amashia, Lion of Judah. Akune Temba. Something is happening, I don't know. Oh, Kayamaku sepeda, Ikabosa Piakato sepeda, Ekubeni Kikito setata. The Lord is moving into somebody's situation right now. Ekube Sabakayubo, because He is Abagana, Ikabosa, Diakabosa, Diekabadabode, yeah, Lion of Judah, Akunete. Yes, you are. Messiah, Lion of Judah, Akune Chemba. Yes, you are. Messiah, Ganesh, Lion of Judah. keeping God. Hey, you are my Yahweh. You are the covenant keeping God. Oh, you are the covenant keeping God. Can you join me wherever you are right now? Yahweh, covenant keeping God. Oh, you are the covenant keeping God. Oh, you are a covenant keeping God. That is why I will wait on you, because you are covenant keeping God. Hey, you never leave me. Abba, you said that you won't forsake me. Are you bearing me witness that you walk beside me? And that is all that matters. Yes, the sun will not smite me. And the moon, it can never hurt me. The flood will not smite me. The Lord is my anchor. He will never leave you. It doesn't matter how long. Yes, I assure you, He can never leave you. He created you and He can never leave you. Hey, Abba, He can never leave you. That is the word for somebody. Hey, the sun will not smite you. Yes, the moon, it can never hurt you. It can never hurt you. Yes, the flood will not sweep you, because the Lord is your covering day and night. He will never leave me. He promised me that He will never forsake me. Woo! That He will surely walk beside me. And I promise to dwell with His word. Ooh, you are. This is a prayer for somebody. I don't know what you are passing through in a situation, but I assure you, I'm a living witness. He can never. My God can never forsake me. Ooh. He can never leave me alone. Because if He leave me now, where will I go? He can never leave. He will not leave you in a situation. Just hold on to Him. He will surely come through for you. He will definitely come through for you. My Yahweh, my love, your baby's here to see. Your baby's here to say thank you. My daddy, your daughter has come. Yes, your baby darling is here to tell you thank you for answered prayers. My daddy, woo, your baby is singing. Woo, I will be singing and dancing and chanting for the rest of eternity. My sugar, my lover, your daughter is here. I will be singing and dancing and chanting for the rest of eternity. My daddy, my maker, Ikama, Lenu Manama Supena. I will be singing, dancing and chanting for the rest of eternity.